In this lesson, we are going to combine a server-side language, PHP, with jQuery Mobile. We will build a very simple, minimal, proof-of-concept WordPress theme with the framework. So if you're not familiar with WordPress, don't worry, we're going to do it all from scratch. Alternatively, if you're not a PHP developer, that's okay too. You can still come along for the ride. This will mostly demonstrate the process of combining a server-side language and a database with jQuery Mobile. So we're going to do this all from scratch. If you've never used WordPress before but you're intrigued by it, now is actually an excellent time to dig in. So work with me. We're going to go to WordPress.org. And here we're going to download the latest version. As of this point, it's 3.02. So I'll download that to my desktop, and you'll see it's been downloaded right here. So if I unzip that, and we're going to name that mobile site. Now, this of course is PHP, so you need to have a PHP installed as well as MySQL. If you're a Mac user, an easy way to do that is with MAMP, and you can Google M-A-M-P. Windows users can also look for WAMP. So I have that installed. Here, I'm going to go ahead and start up my server, and I want to make sure that I move this to my htdocs folder. So I have that right here. Simply grab this and move it over. All right, now we'll open the start page and browse to it. Mobile site. All right, now WordPress is telling us that we need a custom WP config file. In order to set this up, we need to have a database created, so we can do that as well right now. So here I'm going to go open start page again and go to phpMyAdmin. And to get this set up, you need to create a new database. So I've already created one, but we'll do another one. Create database mobile theme. Call it whatever you wish. So you'll create that, and that's all you need to do. At this point, you can close that out, and now when you create your configuration file, you have the information you need. Here, mobile theme. You'll also need the username and the password credentials for MySQL. In this case, I'm on my local host, so I haven't locked it down at all. It's root from my installation. Database host, you can keep that local host, but however, when you do upload it to your own server or your own hosting provider, they will have alternate hosts that you can use. And then the table prefix, this WP underscore will be applied to every single table that's created. If you want to change that, feel free. So we'll do that, run the install, and now we need to give it some quick information. So we'll do mobile theme. Username, always best. Don't stick with the admin username. Do something like your own name. And I'll also create a password as well as my email. And we'll use my Tuts Plus account. Allow my site to appear in search engines. Sure, that's usually what you want to do. All right, so we'll install WordPress. And believe it or not, that's all we have to do. WordPress used to tout itself on the 5-minute installation, and really now it's about a 60-second installation. So if I log in, we're all set to go. If I view the site in a new tab, it's running the base WordPress installation. Okay, so now let's go and create some dummy posts. All right, that'll be fine. Publish it. And I'm going to do a couple of these. Feel free to skip ahead 45 seconds or so if you wish, but I'm only doing one more. And now if we go back and we refresh the page, we have 3 or 4 posts that we can work with. All right, so we've completed the WordPress installation, and next lesson we're going to actually create a custom theme using jQuery Mobile.